In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Wayfair products to WooCommerce using some simple, no API methods. If you're looking to expand your WooCommerce store's offerings by including some of the fantastic products available on Wayfair, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to wayfair.com. Once there, you can browse the site and find the product you'd like to add to your WooCommerce store. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find the exact item that fits your needs. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything we're going to do next. Once you've found the perfect product, click into the product page and you'll be greeted with a wealth of information. Now, the key here is to manually copy the product's title, description, and images. It's important to remember that while copying this information, you should rewrite the text in a unique way to stay compliant with content rules and provide a fresh perspective for your customers. Now let's shift the focus back to your WordPress dashboard. Here, navigate to the products section and click on Add New. This is where you'll build your new product page on WooCommerce. It's essentially like starting a fresh page for each product you want to showcase. After entering the Add New section, you'll want to paste the product information you just copied from Wayfair. This includes entering the product's title, uploading the image you saved, crafting a short description that highlights the benefits and features, and setting a price. Although this might require a little creativity, it's your opportunity to appeal to your audience with language that aligns with your brand's voice. Next, in the product data section, change the product type to external affiliate product. This step is very important as it defines how your product is displayed and directs customers to the Wayfair site to complete their purchase. It's essentially setting up your WooCommerce store as an affiliate marketer for Wayfair products. Then you'll need to paste your Wayfair affiliate link into the product URL field. You may have acquired this link from affiliate platforms like CJ or Impact, depending on where your Wayfair affiliate account is managed. Ensuring this link is correctly placed will redirect your customers to the Wayfair site, crediting you for sales made through your link. Finally, the last step is to click the Publish button. Clicking this makes your product live and available for customers browsing your WooCommerce store. With this, you've just expanded your store's product line without the need for an API site, providing more options to your customers, and potentially increasing your affiliate earnings. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial makes the process of importing Wayfair products to WooCommerce clear and straightforward. Be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy importing!